Today's tutorial is being brought to you by popular subscriber request. It has been asked of me by so many of you if I would do a tutorial solely on how I make my different twine flowers.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Today I am bringing to you two super quick, super easy DIY twine flowers. These are an amazing flower. The outcome of them is gorgeous, and yet they are probably one of the easiest DIY flowers that you could ever make. And they are very budget friendly because you can do it using Dollar Tree's twine. So let's jump into it. Let me show you how stinking easy these flowers are. And the outcome is so farmhouse chic, I could hardly stand it.
For my twine flowers, I typically use Dollar Tree's twine. You can use any twine. I start off by wrapping my twine around my 4 fingers several times. Usually I wrap it around 8 or 9 times just to achieve the thickness you're happy with, and I cut it off. Then taking a separate piece of twine, I'm going to tie my bundle in the middle. And I'm going to be sure to cut off any of the tails that I have of my twine, just leaving me with my loops in my bundle. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. Once I've got my 3 bundles of twine, I'm going to take and separate my loops in each bundle, which would be opening up my flower. Using some hot glue, I'm going to hot glue these bundles right on top of each other, just offsetting them a bit when I glue them together, leaving me with this twine flower. But to finish this off, I will be taking a button that I had in my stash, and I'm going to hot glue it to the middle of this flower, giving it that finishing touch. For this next flower, I'm going to start it off the same way as I did the last one, just wrapping the twine around my fingers several times. Really, this is just to achieve the thickness of the flower that you would like. If you want your flower thicker, you wrap it around more times. If you want your flower thinner, then you wrap it around less. And I'm going to do the same thing, making 3 twine bundles. For this flower, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the loops to where the last flower I separated the loops. This one I'm going to be cutting them open. And again, once I have my 3 bundles, I'm going to hot glue them together on top of each other, offsetting them just a bit. And this is going to give me just a more shabby chic type flower. A different look and just as easy to make. Leaving me with this flower. And again, to finish this flower off, I will be hot gluing a button to the center. You can very easily use rhinestones in the center, a pearl in the center to switch up the look of this flower. This flower can be made really in any size. If you want a mini one, you would wrap it around 2 of your fingers. A medium-sized flower, you'd wrap it around 3 of your fingers. And for a much larger twine flower, I'd wrap it around all 4 of my fingers and separate my fingers to give me a larger flower. Tell me these flowers are not so quick and easy to make. And if you want to give your twine flowers an even more chic look by distressing them, an easy trick is to use liquid shoe polish that you can get at just about any dollar store. I'm going to start off with the brown shoe polish, and I'm just going to dab it on the ends of my flower. Then using some black shoe polish, because I don't much like the red that's in the brown shoe polish, I'm going to use this black to darken up the brown a bit, giving us a nice rustic walnut brown. And would you look there? With just a bit of shoe polish, we made this twine flower something farmhouse chic with a bit of distress. These add so much character and really give whatever DIY that you're doing that farmhouse chic feel. These are one of my favorite embellishments to add to just about any farmhouse DIY.
How quick and easy are these twine flowers? They are so farmhouse chic. I love it. And I tell you, if I could, I'd put a twine flower and a twine bow on every DIY, no joke. What's great about these twine flowers is Dollar Tree has different colored baker's twine. At Christmas time, Dollar Tree has a red twine and a green twine that they bring out, and so you can do these twine flowers in just about any color. You could put a rhinestone in the middle of these flowers instead of a button. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 3,000 likes because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow, and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy twine flower making on a budget. And bye for now, everybody.